Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to hide your active online status on Instagram. First, launch the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open your Settings and Activity page. Scroll down through the Options panel until you reach the section explicitly labeled How Others Can Interact with You. Tap directly on the configuration row option labeled Messages and Story Replies. Under the section block labeled Who Can See You're Online, tap directly on Show Activity Status. Tap on the toggle switch next to Show Activity Status to turn it completely off. Keep in mind that disabling this privacy rule means a mutual trade-off occurs, blocking you from seeing the real-time active indicators of anyone else on the platform. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.